Hey, this is Jim. Welcome to my shop. This is a special announcement that I'm going to make, and it's going to be a short video to be released here soon. As everybody knows, I'm retired, and retired people's on somewhat of a fixed income. Now that I've got time, seems like finances is always a strain. I would love to attend the summer bash, but it's just practically, I'm going to be honest, it's just not financially viable. If I did have enough extra finances, I would probably travel to the West Coast to see my grandchildren and my stepdaughter in Washington. But it looks like that it's not going, unless I was to win the lottery. But I want to support the bash this year. And I have been in contact with Stan, and you have seen in my channel these paint cups. Well, I've got three boxes of 4 of these, which is 16 cups. I'm going to make these up and send these to Stan for door prizes. I let Stan, if he wants to keep 1 or 2 for his own use, he can. But it's just a small way that I can support the summer bash this year. I'm not going to beat this horse showing how it's made. There's plenty of videos on my channel. But I'm going to send these modified Melissa and Doug's paint cups out to the bash this year soon, even though it's early. I'm going to go ahead and get them made up and to him, as soon as I get to it in my project queue here in the shop. And I would urge anybody who's got the means and the time to go to the bash. I would really enjoy going. I would love for the YouTube community, machining community in the East Coast to find a place, somebody who would host such an event for us because of the travel. I mean, I would love to meet people like John Mills and Bruce Whittam in person. That would just be enjoyable, but like Mr. Pete, I'm just financially kind of down. Not embarrassed. I'm all right, but a trip to California is time you buy the airfare, the meals, accommodation, everything for a weekend. You're probably looking at least $1,000, $1,500. That's a good bit of money when you're retirement on retirement income. And my shop is not a profitable shop, and I don't want it to be. So, with that being said, I'm going to work on these alone, and when I get this ready, I will show you the finished ones and have them in the box. So, that's on the list to do. That's my announcement for the day. Thank you. Okay, there on my workbench is a whole bunch of paint cups. Again, this is with the plan to send these out to Stan Sinkowski at RZ as gifts for the summer bash that I mentioned in the announcement. So I didn't want to beat the horse too much, so basically this is the same routine you've seen done. And if you'll notice, these are Melissa and Doug's, because you can see the box, and also you can see the pipe fittings on there to give us the proper steps to it. So that's that. Over here in the corner is another pill bottle that I worked on this morning too. So again, I'm just piddling, trying to clear some space and get ready for my big project. And I'm going to actually clean up and do some studying. I'm going to let these set probably till tomorrow, make sure that epoxy cures really good before I start putting it together. So thought I'd bring the camera out and show you. Now there is the box full. I'm going to get them ready to mail out here pretty soon down to Stan. This is, like I say, is just something that I wanted to do because I wasn't going to be in attendance to this year's bash, obviously, for my personal financial reasons. Just traveling's a lot of money for somebody on fixed income. So I wanted to donate these out and So this is the box full of them. I've got, I guess Stan will keep 1 or 2 for himself. And in fact, I'm going to encourage him to. Next few days, it may be a week before I get to the post office. I'm still going to put channel stickers on them and package the box and all that. So that's on the list of things to do. So with that being said, that's this box, and then the next time this box you should be seeing it, hopefully, is Mr. Stan will show it on his channel and explain that somebody got on the ball about summer bash gifts, and hopefully the people who attend the summer bash and get these cups enjoy them. I mean, we really use them in the shop. You see them in my videos all the time. I've got a lot of positive feedback on this modification. I hope you enjoyed the video. So let's put a disclaimer out of the way. This video is my idea how to do things. It's not the only way. So I hope you enjoyed it today. The other thing, comments are always welcome. Please take the time, if you feel so inclined, to make a comment on my videos. Also, I appreciate all my subscribers, the new ones and the new ones. And finally, the other disclaimer. This is a copyrighted production of James Dedman, Sawlogs Plastic Hubs, for your enjoyment on YouTube. Thank you, have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.